The city of Lincoln is expanding its efforts to get the lead out of Lincoln through its Lead-Safe Lincoln Lead Service Line Replacement Program by helping water customers replace older lead or lead-contaminated galvanized water service lines on their property. Lincoln Water System will notify property owners who are likely to have these types of service lines and offer to replace them with a copper service line fully paid for by the city. Once you receive a letter inviting you to participate in the LSLR program in your neighborhood, the first step is to schedule a thorough inspection with the city's plumbing contractor. Begin by signing and submitting the service line verification and replacement agreement to authorize the inspection. A plumbing contractor will visit your home to inspect the existing service line. This inspection may include accessing your basement, crawl space, or yard to determine the material of the service line. The contractor may also inspect the curb stop, located between the sidewalk and street, to determine the length of the lead pipe and what needs to be replaced. After the inspection confirms the presence of a lead service line, you'll schedule a date for the replacement. Choose a day when someone 18 years or older can be present to provide access to the property. Before the replacement, the contractor will explain the process and any preparations you need to make, such as clearing access points to your home or lawn and ensuring someone is available to provide access throughout the day. On the day of the replacement, here's what you can expect. Crews will arrive that week and set up safety barriers and equipment around the work area outside your home or business. The replacement process may involve temporarily shutting off your water for a few hours during construction. To replace the lead service line, crews will open the small section of ground where your water line attaches to the city's water system. This could be between the sidewalk and curb or in the street. Typically, a precise tunnel is bored underground from the water main to your home. A new copper service line is pulled back through the underground boring. This creates as little disturbance to your home, business, and yard as possible. The new line is connected to the city's water system and your internal plumbing, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection. Once connected, the water supply is restored and tested to confirm proper installation. Your new copper service line is now installed. Copper is chosen for its durability and safety as a drinking water conduit. The old pipe is capped off and abandoned in place to minimize any future contamination or disruption to your yard. To complete their work, crews will backfill the hole, compact the soil, and restore any disturbed areas of your yard. This includes reseeding grass or replacing any concrete that was removed. After the replacement, property owners will receive a 2-year warranty on the new service line. You will also receive instructions on how to flush your plumbing system and a complimentary water pitcher filter. These resources are crucial to remove any debris or particles that may have entered your pipes during the replacement for up to 6 months after. 3 to 4 months after replacement, a free lead test kit will be sent to your home to check the lead levels at your property after the replacement. Follow the instructions provided with the kit to test your water. For more information, contact Lincoln Water System at 402-441-7571, option 2, or by email at lsor@lincoln.ne.gov.